Please be honest for a while. When someone says, please introduce yourself, does your mind suddenly go blank? Does your mind think nothing? If your answer is yes, you are not alone. It's day 5 today, and today I will break this fear. In fact, we will break this fear together. Hello, friends. Welcome to day 5 of my English speaking practice challenge. My name is Ahmed, and I'm from Surat, Gujarat, India. And I'm learning English one day at a time, just like you. English is not my mother tongue, but I speak it every day to improve my English fluency and confidence. That's the secret. I know self introduction is scary. Self introduction can be carried out in interviews, offices, meeting, and classrooms. You know, you know your name, you know your work, but still, when it comes to give your self introduction, you stops. You know what? Because the fear of English stops you from giving your self introduction properly and confidently. So today we are gonna remove this fear of self introduction. Now listen to me carefully. The sentence which I am going to give right now, this is enough for 90% situation. Now repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ahmed. Now you can say, hello, my name is, you can take your name, whatever your name is. Okay. I'm from Gujarat. I'm learning English to improve my confidence. I like learning new skills. Thank you. That's it. You don't need big words. You need clarity and calm voice. So this is enough for your self introduction. Now, don't try to memorize paragraphs. Instead, you should speak slowly, you should pause naturally, and you should smile when you are giving your self introduction or while you are talking in English because smile is something which is so beautiful. And people trust calm speakers but not fast speakers. Calm doesn't mean to be slow, calm means very passionate and very energetic, but with soft voice. So you are watching day 5 and I want to tell you something honestly. You are doing something extraordinary that most people never do. In fact, they quit at initial of their English speaking journey. But you are working on yourself. You are working on your spoken English. So English is not just a language, it is a confidence skill and you are increasing your confidence skill day by day. The more you practice, the more you speak English, the more confident you become day by day. So you are on a right track and you are very passionate. It shows me. So if you practiced self-introduction today with me, so then like this video, subscribe to SAR English and comment Day 5 Confident because your confident motivates me. Your comment encourages me and your comments also motivate those who are scared of start their English speaking journey. Remember, one day someone will say to you, please introduce yourself. So now that time will be yours. You will not panic because you didn't quit on day 5. Tomorrow we will come back with day 6 with some real life English conversation in English. Until then, speak your name with confidence. Give your self introduction with confidence and energy. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep improving.